Today we're going to open one of our WayCap Dolce Gusto 1-packs. We are always putting call outs to our local community for donations of their old packaging, and then we reuse it to send out our orders. So this little guy will either come in one of our regular boxes or a donated reused box. All right, let's open it up. So WayCap are fantastic because all of their boxes, all of their packaging have been made from recycled materials. Components are all made in Italy and in a sustainable, responsible factory, and really premium products, and produce really great results as well. So within these packs, there's a little envelope that has your stainless steel filters. There is your coffee capsule, stainless steel base with a silicone lid, little holder that just helps during filling to make everything a little bit easier, and then a tamper and an instruction manual. The capsule itself, if you have a look on the inside, just comes like so, and then these filters are inserted. So it really is a luxury to have interchangeable stainless steel filters included with your pod. These just give you flexibility with your brewing. So the different filters are matched with different grind sizes. So with whatever you choose to brew, whether you source your coffee from your local cafe or a roastery or wherever, it's nice to have the convenience and the flexibility to be able to adjust your brew results based on a filter that works better with the blend and grind that you end up having at home. So these ones are just popped in the base of the capsule before you add your coffee in there, and then you can tamp like so, and then the lid goes on top, and then the whole thing gets popped into your pod machine. The silicone components actually work really well within Dolce Gusto machines. All of these silicone bits and bobs are Bpa-Free, absolutely completely safe to use. Their flexibility really just helps to care for your machine as well as produce a really beautiful coffee. So we always want to make sure that when we're switching over to reusables, that we are creating a product that is gentle on your machine and there's no risk of damage. That the machine is protected during the whole process, and the coffee that's being produced is really delicious. We obviously always ensure that it's food safe, and that it's good for your machine and good for you. So it's really wonderful in that regard. Works in all Dolce Gusto machines and creates a very lovely extraction.